Get to your imap settings, you want to go to the setting tab on the bottom, and then you want to go to the bot configuration on the far right, and then you'll see here your different imap settings in this green box. For your imap settings, you want to make sure to follow the documentation for the email provider that you're forwarding to, such as Gmail, not the documentation of the custom catch-all domain. So if we follow the documentation, you should find a server address that'll be your account imap host and the specifying port, such as 993. Now you want to start by having the checkmark for TLS on connect checked, and only switch it off if you're noticing consistent problems that you can't explain otherwise. Then you want to have your user, which is usually going to be your account email, and your password, which is either going to be your account password or it's going to be an app password, such as with Gmail, which is a one-time password for a specific application. And you also want to make sure to enter in your catch-all domain down here so it knows only to look for that particular domain ending. While we're here, we might as well check out the account batch creation setting, which you'll most likely want to set to 50, which is the maximum that can be supported. However, we have this setting here so that in case your PC crashes when running 50, you can set it to a lower number. And you do want to make sure that your computer can actually handle the 50 before your first drop. So you want to at least kind of start the task and then immediately stop them or something like that. Because if not, if your computer isn't powerful enough, it may just shut down or start killing the entire program, which would then lead to you not getting any product. While we're here, we want to make sure to save to .env after testing the configuration. So if I test this, it should give me a few different test results that you don't really need to worry about, but you may want to have them in the logs in case one of them doesn't work. And then you click save to .env, which will save it to a configuration file. That way you'll have it for later. Otherwise, it may go away. So yeah, that's how to set up imap, at least from the bot side. If you need help with setting it for an individual provider, if you're troubleshooting and it doesn't work, feel free to let me know, either through the ticket system or through Discord, which I guess is also its own ticket system, but you get the idea.